I've got Michael Gerber with me. And so here at Win the Storm, what have you been telling these guys to think about for their businesses?
Well, I'm going to simply start with the beginning, which is what is your dream? And hear me, without a dream, there's nothing. Without a dream, there's just day-to-day stuff.
So this has been your first year here at Win the Storm. What's your experience been like?
Well, it's really quite amazing. But I've met a lot of screwed up guys. But they're all absolutely determined to find a way to get beyond their screw up.
What's the one thing that you would give for the people here at Win the Storm to take away?
Well, the most important thing is stop. Completely stop. Start with a blank piece of paper and beginner's mind.
Michael, it is such an honor to have you here. Thank you so much for being a part of Win the Storm 2020.